Welcome to Recraft Fundamentals. Today we want to walk you through how to use Google's Nano Banana Pro model directly inside Recraft, and how it helps you create realistic photos, surreal portraits, text-based posters, and make precise AI edits. We'll go step by step and we'll show everything right on the canvas. Alright, let's begin with a clean canvas. On the left panel, click Image, then open Styles. In the Model selector, switch to External. Here you'll see the full list of models available inside Recraft. Find Nano Banana Pro. It comes in two versions, and for this walkthrough, it's better to choose the highest quality one. Once you pick it, the model is ready to generate. In the prompt field, just describe what you want to create, and click Generate. Give it a moment, and your first result will appear. You'll see how well Nano Banana Pro handles realistic lighting, natural poses, and all those subtle textures. Now let me show you the part that makes this model especially powerful: AI editing with reference images. It's super intuitive once you try it. Click here to attach additional images. You can bring in anything: products, clothing items, textures, poses, or even full backgrounds. For this example, let's attach a picture of an orange sweater. Then in the prompt, describe exactly what should change. Click Generate, and Nano Banana Pro updates the outfit while keeping the pose, lighting, and facial expression exactly the same. It feels almost like a clean swap without breaking the original shot. And the same workflow works for pretty much anything. Changing the perspective, adding new subjects, changing the character's look, swapping styles, replacing backgrounds. And of course, you can repeat this as many times as you want, refining details or mixing different ideas together until it feels just right. And there's one more thing worth showing. Nano Banana Pro also understands text, which means you can generate poster-style layouts directly from your prompt. Just write a detailed description of the poster you want, including the exact title and tagline, and hit Generate. In a few seconds, you'll get the poster you imagined, complete with accurate text, a structured layout, and a consistent visual style. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Recraft tutorials.